Are you ready to uncover the secret to launching a faceless YouTube automation channel, all while harnessing the power of free AI tools and raking in over $11,000 in passive income every month? So look at this channel. It has almost 300K subscribers, and most of its videos have received millions and thousands of views within just a few months. The remarkable thing is that this channel is only 11 months old. And in the last 30 days, this channel has received 745K views. According to my calculation, this channel must be getting RPM of at least $6 because most of its videos are longer than 20 minutes, which means many ads run on its videos. This means this channel will easily earn $5,000 per month. In some months, this channel has received 2 million plus views, which means it must have earned up to $12,600 in that month, only from YouTube ad revenue. There are other channels like this one that create similar videos, and they also have a significant number of subscribers, and they are also getting millions and thousands of views. All these people create videos like this, and you guys can also easily create such videos. I know many people have already made videos on this topic, but trust me guys, I will tell you the easiest way to make this types of video, and yes, I will also teach you how to create eye-catchy thumbnails. So watch the video till the end. And today I will use total of 6 free AI tools, so I will provide their links in the description below. Alright, so let's get started. Step 1, you need to create a YouTube channel and add a channel logo, which everyone can do easily. Alright, in step 2, we need to first find video ideas and then write a video script. You have to go to YouTube, and here you just have to search for Stoic principles. If you look below, we have some keywords that people actually search for on YouTube. This means that if you make videos on these keywords, your video will get good views from the search results. Right, but the problem is that these are just a few keywords, and this is not sufficient. So let me tell you how you can find video ideas. You just have to copy these short form keywords, go to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT a prompt like this, and hit enter. You will see that ChatGPT has given us 20 video ideas. So this way you can find unlimited video ideas with the help of ChatGPT. Alright, now let's write the script. Today, I will use Gemini to write the script. I think Google Gemini will give us better results than ChatGPT. So I will go back to this channel, copy the title of a popular video, and then come back to Gemini and write a prompt like this. Write a complete script on the topic, 10 Stoic ways to stop overthinking. And the script should be for a video of 10 minutes long. Hit enter. And boom. Gemini has written a complete script for us. And the script style is quite sharp, clear, and easy to understand. So that's why I preferred Gemini AI instead of ChatGPT. If you feel this script is too short, simply ask Gemini, "This is not sufficient for up to a 10-minute long video. Please add more in each paragraph," and hit enter. Now you will see that we have a long script, and each paragraph now has sufficient words. Okay, if it stops suddenly, simply type this prompt again, and your entire script will be ready again. Alright, this way, you can prepare scripts for all these titles. In the next step, we need to generate images for this script, so let me tell you the easiest way to do it. Simply go to Lexica Art, and here you just need to search for Stoic. And boom! You will have thousands of images, and you can use them for free. Simply download them one by one. Apart from this, you can also download such images from stock-free websites like Pixelbay. Alright, another way is Leonardo AI, which you can also use for free, but you need to keep in mind the credits. So go to app.leonardo.ai, then go to image generation, keep the aspect ratio 16:9, and simply type the prompt, and hit enter. Leonardo AI will generate 4 images for you. Alright, now if you want to save time in video editing, you can try Leonardo Image to Motion, which will convert your image into a video. For example, if we want to animate this image, you just need to click on Motion here, and then generate from here. And you'll see our motion video will be ready in just a few seconds. And you can see the motion is quite clear and smooth. Similarly, you can convert any image into motion, but remember that your 25 credits will be lost once you generate one motion video. So if you want to save your time in editing, go for the Leonardo AI Pro plan. The link is in the description below. Alright, next, you need to go to DupDub. It's a powerful AI voice generator where you can generate ultra-high quality voices. The link is in the description below. I will also give a 15% discount code which you can apply, so simply sign up for free. Then you'll see a dashboard like this. By the way, DubDub isn't just a voice generator. It has some useful features like AI avatar, instant voice cloning, AI writing, AI translation, AI transcription, and more. Alright, now we need to generate a voiceover. So let's go to the AI voiceover. Here, you need to paste your script. So let me quickly copy-paste the script from Gemini. Perfect. After that, simply go to the More voiceover. And here, you'll see that you have many realistic and ultra-realistic voiceovers. Take your time to explore the entire library, then choose a suitable voice. Okay, in my case, I'll choose this ultra voice. Then you can control the speed and pitch here, and then confirmed. Perfect. Now, if you want to add a pause somewhere, you just need to place the mouse cursor there and add a pause. You can add pauses anywhere like this. Alright? After doing this, you need to generate and export the voice from here, then download it. Alright, now we have the voiceover. But one thing is still missing, and that's background music. So simply search these keywords on Google, then go to the Pixabay website. Here you'll find a lot of copyright-free music that you can use without any issues. Okay. Now in the next step, we need to do video editing, and for that, CapCut is the best option. So simply open CapCut, then select all the images and import them into CapCut. Then add them all to the timeline together. After that, import the voice and music as well. Perfect. Now, we need to add transitions between each image, and here, if you want, can also adjust the length of these images, but in my case, it's fine for now. We can add random shots. Okay, let's go to transitions and search for fade here. Then apply the black fade transition between two clips like this. Now, zoom in the timeline and make the transition a bit longer. Then apply it to all. And this transition will be applied to our entire timeline. Perfect. If you've noticed, they add some noise effects to their videos. To add this effect, simply go to Effects and search for noise. Then download this effect and add it to the top of the timeline like this. Perfect. Next, we need to apply a dark color grade to the entire video. So first, add an adjustment layer. Then go to Adjustments, scroll to the bottom, and set Vignette to 22. Illumination to -10. Brightness to -3. And saturation to -26. Perfect. Now, another important thing we need to do is animation using keyframe. When I was telling you about generating images from Leonardo, I mentioned that you can animate an image using the Image to Motion feature. If you can't afford Leonardo AI, you can animate any image using keyframes. So let's see how. So first, zoom in on the timeline as much as possible. Then select the first image. Place the cursor at the beginning. Go to Position and add a keyframe and scale. Now, move the cursor to the end and increase the scale position to 126%. Perfect. Now your zoom in animation will look something like this. Nice. Similarly, we need to add a zoom out animation to the second image. So I'll first scale down the image a bit. Then go to the beginning. Add a keyframe. Then go to the end. And set the scale to 100%. Nice. In the same way, you need to add animation to all images. You can also add left to right and right to left animations in the same way. Okay, after adding animations, I'll go to Captions, and from here I'll auto-generate captions. And our captions will be added. If any caption is too long, you can go to Captions and split the caption like this. Alright. Then I'll change the font style of the caption, so I'll try the Poppins font. Then scroll down and use this preset, right? Then go to Shadow and apply the shadow from here so that the caption is clearly visible. Alright. Now our captions are clearly visible. After this, you can simply export the video. Okay. Today, we're tackling a modern struggle with ancient wisdom. We're talking about overthinking and how Stoicism, a philosophy with roots dating back to ancient Greece and Rome, can equip us with powerful tools to quiet the mental chatter. You know, the feeling replaying past mistakes on repeat or getting lost in worst-case scenarios about the future. Overthinking can be exhausting and paralyzing. But Stoicism teaches us to take control of our thoughts. Nice. Now let's learn how to create a thumbnail. Just go to Canva and import any image. Then go to Edit Photo and remove the background from the image. Right. Then fit the image nicely into the background. After that, go to Elements and find a black gradient and add it. Then set the image as a background. Perfect. After this, add a text and add the title of the video in the text. Just like this. Then choose a bold font. Then duplicate the heading, adjust the font size, and also change the font color. After that, add a drop shadow to both texts so that the text is clearly visible. Then you can also add a line below the text from Elements. I would like to add a drop shadow to this image as well. I think it will look good. Perfect. Our thumbnail is also ready. Now you can download it. So in this way, you can start a successful YouTube automation channel using AI. Thank you for watching.